What is going on, Ollie Traveler fam? Retired Life Ollie style. Well, today is our third and final day in the city of Rome. So come along with us today as we travel to the Colosseum, the Pantheon, the Trevi Fountain, and of course Piazza Navona, where we get lost on the way and have to stop to get something to eat. It's going to be a long day. We are going into the
Pantheon.
We are in line.
Thank you. Thank you. King of Italy.
The Pantheon is a must-see if you're visiting Rome City. It has a lot of historical artifacts, a lot of history there, and also, for the budget-minded folks, it's free of charge for entry. What's up, everybody? Where are we?
Piazza Navona.
Piazza Navona.
It's a beautiful day out. Bright sunshine. It's not too hot, not too cold. A little bit of breeze. Nice.
Yep.
Busy. Very busy down here today.
We are taking a lovely stroll through Piazza Navona on a nice day here in Rome, Italy.
Hi everyone, we're in Rome at the Piazza Navona, and you can see all the beautiful fountains behind us. There's one down there, too far, and then there's one right behind us. So we've been here for 2 days.
Yep, just want to say
Buongiorno. We'll be back. That's it. Voila.
Done. Colosseum.
Yeah. That's where the lions and stuff were, I guess. There used to be a park.
Il massimo è grande, questo mi sembra piccolo. Probabilmente doveva essere così alto, avrà perso dei livelli.
The floor of the Colosseum is no longer present. You can see underneath that's where the catacombs were, where they kept the animals and the gladiators before entering the Colosseum for competition. All right, guys, so here we are now at the Colosseum, and it's been a long day, a lot of walking today.
Yep, we conquered Trevi Fountain. We went to
The Pantheon.
Pantheon. And the Piazza Navona. Now we're here at the Colosseum, and next is the Spanish Steps. So we did a lot in one day for our last day in Rome.
Yep, but here we're at the Colosseum. You can see it behind us, hopefully. Oh yeah, so now, next?
Spanish Steps,
Spanish
and then something to eat. We keep trying to get something to eat.
For lunch, but we keep missing it. And we keep going and going, and we just end up eating dinner.
So fun fact, at 3 o'clock, a lot of the restaurants here shut down, and they don't open back up until 7. So you can't eat dinner until, or lunch, whatever, after 3 or before 7. So you're going to eat, you got to get it in there before 3 o'clock.
Yeah, there are a few shops I don't, but they're far and few between.
Yeah, most of the good restaurants are later. So anyway.
All right, we'll see you over at the Spanish
See you later.
Steps.
Bye. So once we were done with the Colosseum, we decided to go ahead and try to walk to find a taxi on the way home. We did not want to go and finish the attraction right across the way. There's an archway that leads you to more of the exhibits. So we decided to come out of the Colosseum and we made a left. Well, left it was. We probably walked for about a good 1.5 miles into nothing zones. One thing we found out is that the Colosseum housed more than just what you see. So there were people that actually lived on the grounds, and we took some pictures of that we wouldn't have seen had we not taken our left-hand turn. We walked and walked and walked. Finally, we came upon a little store restaurant, and we went in there and asked if they had an Uber or we could call a taxi. And the girl said, no, only Ubers that come here are Uber Black. So for those of you who don't know, that's the expensive Ubers. So we continued to walk, and I found a guy at a newspaper stand, and I asked him, where can we get a taxi? He pointed to the corner, and he says, right there, just flag one down. Well, I'll be darned. So we grabbed a taxi, and we headed home, and we did not make the Spanish Steps. Everett was tired. As you saw him limping, he needed surgery on his leg. So we decided to call in a night, get back to our hotel, and get something to eat finally. So it was a good day. It was a long day, but unfortunately we did miss the Spanish Steps.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting.
See y'all.
See you.
We're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
And we are ready to go. We're so
Excited. I can't believe it.
Thank you.
So excited.
You and I, we got it.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content drops.
You and I can weather any storm.